Hey Caillou and Rosie, today it's Axel's 15th birthday. And today we're going to park to celebrate.
Oh no, not him again.
Too bad. Now let's go.
Welcome, Anderson family. Come on in.
One afternoon, Twilight Sparkle, the princess of friendship, was pacing the halls of the Castle of Friendship. She was expecting an important visitor. One day, Twilight Sparkle was dropping off books at her locker. She had studied and thought she was ready, but she was still nervous.
Come, Axel, the party is now starting.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Axel the Six Train Guy.
Happy birthday to you.
That's it. I'm going to destroy his cake.
Oh my god, Caillou. Why did you destroy Axel's cake? That's it. I'm telling your mom and dad.
Caillou, you're so grounded for misbehaving at Axel's 15th birthday. That's it. Go to your room right now, and no Chuck E. Cheeses.